Good morning, student. Here is the important topics we are going to consider. The question related with the capacitance or capacitor. You can see in the figure, as we have learnt, what is the effect of dielectrics on the capacitance of the capacitor if dielectrics is inserted between the plates of the capacitor. So here is the complicated question that there is a capacitor C. C is the capacitor whose plate area is alpha and distance between the plate is D. Now this capacitor is containing means we are introducing two dielectrics, one having dielectric constant K1 and another having dielectric K2. You can see it is inserted such that a upper half consists K1 and lower half consists K2. In this case, what will happen? This capacitor is divided into two parts. One is above and other is below, and it has dielectric K1 and it has dielectric K2, and both are connected like this between the point P and Q. So area is divided here. Area of the plate is divided half and half. So area is divided here alpha by 2. But distance between the plate will be same, D. Here distance is same. So as we know that now you can see this is capacitor, we can say this is C1 now and this is C2, and both are connected in parallel now. So equivalent of this will be Cp is equal to C1 plus C2. Now what will be the value of C1, my dear student? You know that C naught is equal to A epsilon naught by D. This is the formula of capacitance of a capacitor with free space or vacuum if there is no any dielectrics between the plate. If the dielectrics between the plate is inserted, then what will happen? C1 will be equal to K1 into C naught. So we can write here C1 is equal to K1 into C naught, means A epsilon naught by D. But here A is area and here area is alpha by 2. So we can replace A by alpha by 2. Therefore C1 will be K1 into alpha epsilon naught by 2D. This will be the C1. Similarly, C2 will be equal to K2 alpha epsilon naught by 2D. Now by substituting the value of these two, we can get the equivalent capacitance Cp. Cp is equal to, this will be if you are adding these two, what will happen? A epsilon naught by 2D, A epsilon naught by 2D will be taken common, and here will be K1 plus K2. So my dear student, roughly you can estimate that equivalent, if it is in parallel and two types of dielectrics are given, so here the dielectric capacity will increase dielectric times, and dielectric is at two types, K1 and K2. So we have taken here sum of that. So this is the equivalent capacitance. How to calculate the equivalent capacitance when some dielectrics, not fully, partially, two types of dielectrics or three types of dielectrics or four types of dielectrics are inserted between the plates. Now come to the different question. As previously, upper half and lower half will be filled by the different dielectrics. Now situation has changed. This is the capacitor and it is filled by two dielectrics having dielectric constant K1 and K2, and it is filled by in between distance, half of the thickness of the dielectric is half of the distance between the plates as shown in the figure. Here you can say that there are two capacitors like this. Here it consists dielectric constant K1, it consists dielectric K2, and they are connected like this. So capacitor C is now divided into two parts, C1 and C2, and you can see between point P and Q, you can see they are now just like connected in series. Therefore 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. We can write here, and here you can see area is remains same. Area of the plates of the both the capacitor is alpha, but distance between the plate has now halved. According to situation, this can be changed. If four types of dielectrics are taken and a thickness is given, then you can correlate like that, and therefore the equivalent what will be the equivalent of this, what will be the equivalent of this, and we can write here C1 is equal to, what will be the C1, as we know C is equal to A epsilon naught by D. Here we can write A alpha, A is same alpha, alpha epsilon naught by D. D has now D by 2. So D is here, and by 2 goes upside. So this will be this one, and dielectric constant K1. So it will be K1 A alpha epsilon naught by D. C2 will be again here K2 into 2 alpha epsilon naught by D. So after substituting here 1 by CE, it will become what? 1 by D by 2K1 alpha epsilon naught plus D by 2K2 alpha epsilon naught. This will be the equation. So we can take common D by 2 alpha epsilon naught will be taken common. Here you will see 1 by K plus 1 by K2. So my dear student, you can see only dielectrics is connected like the series combination 1 by K plus 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. So if you solve this, you will get here K1 K2 K1 K2, or here K1 plus K2. This will become this one. So we can write here K1 plus K2 into D by 2 alpha epsilon naught K1 K2. This will be the 1 by C1. Therefore 1 by C equivalent. So C equivalent will be 2 epsilon naught 2 alpha epsilon naught divided by D into K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. So this factor is added and 2 is added here. So we have all together, we can see here this is alpha epsilon naught divided by D or into 2K1 K2 divided by K1 plus K2. This factor is added up. This is the capacity of the capacitor if there were no any dielectrics inserted between them. So this is the method how to solve when the dielectrics are inserted between the plates of the capacitor. So my dear student, I have explained two types, and similarly you can solve many problems of capacitors considering this method. Thank you very much.